Redfeather from Grepax. This Krita video will be slightly different as it leans in its example as the viewer has foreknowledge of Krita functionality. Notice the Krita simulated space Odyssey, if you will, we have created. It is a pretty simple procedure. Notice this only took 4 layers. This includes the background layer, but not the vector layers for the added text. So let us proceed. With this Krita example, by shutting off some of the layers so as we can explain and show the functions utilized during the development of this example. Notice our first Krita paint layer. Using our Krita bucket fill tool, we have placed a nice black background for our space Odyssey. On our second Krita paint layer, as you can see, we have placed our simulated stars and planets, and our third paint layer, we have created a simulated galaxy for our space Odyssey. So, what Krita functions did we utilize for our development for the galaxy creation? Well, we utilized the gradient tool. We set it to alternating spiral and then added a perspective change utilizing the transform layer or selection tool and within the tools and options. For our stars and planets, we utilized the Krita edit brush predefined function. We used the fairy dust for our stars and the circle hard erode for our planets. Also, in turn, we experimented with different brush tips for adding color to our galaxy before changing the size and perspective too much. Obviously, in order to call this an Odyssey, we must be going and or experiencing something. First off, we have experienced a Krita simulated space, and second, although we did not show the liftoff, we are showing the landing. The craft landing was created in Kdenlive utilizing its title clip function. We are landing there to produce a video on vertical text within Kdenlive's title clip function. So please join us. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu 1. Thank you in advance. I am out.